threat for strong or even severe storms has ended. Mainly, we'll just be dealing with some persistent showers at times today. So not necessarily a washout, but it will be soggy at times, including getting ready for game day later on this afternoon. For now, we are dealing with some steady rainfall, especially along the Tennessee-North Carolina border. You can see rainfall, especially north and east of Knoxville, with still rumbles of thunder and a few downpours through Cotton County into Greene County as well. Some of the strongest storms, though, pushing closer towards the Johnson City area. We've had rain roll back onto the plateau, but over the last hour, it has fizzled out some. Still some spot showers through Fentress County, down into Morgan County, into Roane County as well. There's more rain back to the west. You can see it's pretty soggy with storms approaching Nashville at this hour, and that will continue to push east through the morning. So I am expecting additional waves of showers and storms at times today. Temperatures right now are in the upper 60s to low 70s. It is generally on the comfortable side, and we will see highs climb back up into the upper 70s as we dodge rain at times today. I'll have the latest timing and go over when a lot more sunshine returns coming up.
Matt, thank you.
More severe weather is done, but we're still going to be dodging rain and storms at times today. In fact, the radar is pretty active this morning, especially along the border with North Carolina. Some of the stronger storms have crossed over and left Tennessee or moved up closer towards the Tri-Cities. Still steady rain through parts of Sevier County, up into Cocke and Greene counties as well. And then back to the west, the line is broken up a bit, but we still have a few showers, say from Loudoun and Philadelphia, right up into Oak Ridge, Clinton, and through parts of the plateau as well. We'll continue to see scattered showers and thunderstorms at times today. You can see there are more storms back to the west. It's pretty soggy through Middle Tennessee this morning, and even further to the west, additional rainfall as well. So we'll be dodging waves of rain today. So there will be breaks in the rain coverage. In fact, once this batch that's around right now clears out, we'll likely enjoy a couple of hours of drier time until the rain that's to the west moves back in. 70s for most this morning, but we are down to the 60s on the plateau. We will continue to see temperatures hold in the 70s through the afternoon. We will get close to the 80-degree mark here in Knoxville, but still topping out in the upper 70s. Rain chances will ramp up later this morning into the afternoon. Scattered showers and storms will be around, and the threat will be there for rumbles of thunder and lightning. So, of course, that will be key for tailgaters and anyone heading to the game this afternoon. So over the next couple of hours, this batch that's in place right now continues to push to the east. There's a couple of hours there towards the mid-morning hours that we'll see a slight drying trend to the east, but rain quickly fills back into the west. And some of the rainfall could be locally heavy. So that's 9 a.m. We'll go here to midday. You can see these downpours continuing to push through the area. And we'll continue to see rain around. And by the time we get closer to kickoff, it'll be more likely earlier in the game that we're still dodging some rain at times, but it will still leave at least a slight chance for some rain towards the end of the game as well. So storms are most likely this morning through the early afternoon, but a drying trend is going to set up through the evening, and then we clear things out heading into tonight. With more rain in the forecast, though, the threat will be there for an isolated spot of some flooding. Level 1 out of 4 flood risk in place, mainly for East Tennessee, excluding our southeast Kentucky counties. The threat will be there especially in areas that have already picked up a lot of rain, whether it was from the storms on Thursday or what we saw last night into this morning. Highs today will be in the 70s, especially to the east, but a bit cooler on the plateau where that rain is going to roll in and the cooler air will move in first, so likely only topping out in the low 70s. For the game today, storms will be around for tailgating for the first half. It's a little less likely that we see rain through later on in the game, closer towards the end, because coverage is starting to decrease, so that, of course, would lower the chance that a storm is directly over Neyland. But I would definitely bring the poncho. I think there's a good chance we'll at least be dodging a few showers, and the question will be there, do we have to dodge any lightning? Of course, that would result in a delay. After today, forecast is pretty quiet. Low humidity settles in tonight, 70s for highs tomorrow. Looks like a great day to be outside, and then just a slight warming trend through the week, but humidity levels will stay low.
Matt, thank you.